Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to set up the Raspberry Pi Pico for MicroPython programming in Tony IDE. Let's get started. So the first step that we want to perform is we just want to import the MicroPython image onto the Raspberry Pi Pico W development board that we are having. That is the first step, and then we can move to the Tony IDE for setting up the programming environment, that is the integrated development environment for Raspberry Pi Pico. Let me just open this PC in my computer, and here I have already connected the Raspberry Pi Pico to my PC through micro USB cable, but it is not showing up. You can clearly see there is no drive named RP or RP2 Pico right over here among the drives C, D, E, F, G, etc. And for resolving this particular problem in Raspberry Pi Pico W or in Pico, what you need to do is you just need to hold the push button right over here in the Raspberry Pi Pico, and then you can connect the USB cable. When you do that, you can clearly see the Raspberry Pi Pico named RPI/RP2 drive has appeared now. So this is the Raspberry Pi Pico W drive that is connected to my PC. So first step is make sure that you are getting this drive when you have connected the Raspberry Pi Pico W or Pico in your Windows PC. And the next step is go to the Google Chrome and type in Raspberry Pi Pico MicroPython installation, and scroll down and move to the website, that is www.raspberrypi.com. Raspberry Pi documentation link right over here. Just click on this and open this link and scroll down a little bit, and you can clearly see the text download the correct MicroPython UF2 file for your board. In my case, I am just using the Pico W board. I am just going to click on this particular link. If you are using just Pico board, just click on this and download the UF2 file for your MicroPython development. I am just going to click on this and start the download. You can see the download is started and it is done. I'm just opening the downloads folder, and the next step is I'm just going to open the Raspberry Pi Pico drive in my this PC. So you can clearly see I'm going to this PC folder, and I'm just going to double click on this RPI/RP2 drive right over here. And the fastest way that you can import the MicroPython image onto the Raspberry Pi Pico right over here is you can directly drag and drop this particular file or copy paste that. That is simple. I'm just going to drag and drop this particular file, hold the left mouse button and drag this to this RPI/RP2 folder. You can see it is copying that particular file into the Raspberry Pi Pico drive. That's it. The copying is done. Now I'm just going to open the Tony IDE, and here I'm just going to click on the Tools tab and Options, and inside the Interpreter option I'm just going to select the COM3, and in the kind of interpreter you can select the Raspberry Pi Pico right over here, and that's it. Click on OK, and when you click on OK, you can clearly see there is some text that is appearing right over here. MicroPython version 1.28.0 on, dated at Raspberry Pi Pico W with RP2040. And you must see this particular prompt right over here if you have properly imported the MicroPython image onto the Raspberry Pi Pico or Raspberry Pi Pico W development board. And from here on you can start the Python programming, that is the MicroPython script developing in this Tony IDE for your Raspberry Pi Pico W or Pico development board. So you can just type like hello. That's it. You can see the Python script is running. You can also use the cell like this for running the Python script, or else you can create a new file right over here and you can run that particular script that you are writing right over here using the cell right over here. Either ways, you can use this Tony IDE for developing the MicroPython scripts for your Raspberry Pi Pico development boards. And in this video, I hope you learned how to import the MicroPython UF2 image onto the Raspberry Pi Pico development boards. Hope it was helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.